Good morning, Inferno. Good morning, Dina. Good morning, Hurricane. Good morning, Blizzard. Hey, do you know why Blizzard is like this? Well, she's been like this for a while. Not moving much and pretty quiet. I hope Dina hears about this.
I heard about Blizzard. Her life crystal is fading.
Oh, wait. Isn't that her life essence?
Yes, and if we don't change it, she'll die. There's some on her castle.
That's the same thing.
There's one growing in Dina's garden. That's not the right element.
Hey, what's that over there?
That's her water bottle.
Guys, Blizzard wants to say something.
In the castle.
That's perfect. Can you give it to me?
Wow, I feel so much better. Thanks to you all, guys. Thank you so much.
And